Hi everyone, to the bone. This is Darcy and I'm back. I missed you guys so much, and today I'm gonna talk my beauty favorites, and I'm also gonna give you life updates, so you're gonna know everything that's going on with me. And I have so many exciting things to share with you guys. I have timestamps on the description box below, so you can jump any moment in the video. I'm so excited to be back. I miss you guys so much, so let's get to it. Now let's get to my beauty favorites. My beauty favorites is not necessarily from October because I've been gone for a while because I had my baby and I took some time off. So my beauty favorites are a few things that I have used consistently for basically since I've been gone. I have other things I also use, but I didn't want to make this video super long, so I just picked the things that are being like my die-hard. So now let's get to it. I'm gonna start with the Cica Pear from Dr. Jart. Is a tiger grass color correcting treatment. Basically what this is a color correcting treatment, but the amazing thing about it is that I've been using it as foundation. Evens out your skin tone, takes out all the redness, and is actually a treatment, so it does help over time. All you need is a little bit, and when you add it to your skin, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's green, but as you mix it, and it just disappears and becomes part of your skin. So basically it makes your skin look your skin but better without blemishes. It covers up some of the dark spots, not too much. It still looks really natural. So it's really good to use also by itself as a no makeup type of day. And what I love to do is basically do my moisturizer. I add this on top because I find that if you don't moisturize your skin, I don't find there's enough moisturizer. Especially if you have dry skin, make sure you add your moisturizer first, normally, then add a tiny little dots on your face, like here, 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 and then blend it with your hands, and it makes your skin look so beautiful. And for evening out, like I'm using it today, I like to just put a regular translucent powder on top, and then I do my contour and highlighter and everything, and it works just as well as a foundation. So I find that I use this a lot, and this has been lasting me forever. This little thing is like $20, I think, almost $20. I'll put the link on the description box below. And they have a bigger one that's like $50. You do not need that one because this has been lasting me 4 months. All you need is a tiny little bit. And they're also great things because it is a treatment. It also helps over time to cancel the redness and makes your skin better and control inflammation because tiger grass is amazing for inflammation. So I highly, highly recommend. Another thing that I've been loving is an eye cream. It's from IOP and is a Wrinkle Corrector 2500. It's a serum that targets the skin under the eyes and around the nose and mouth. This was sent to me by IOP for review, but as you guys know, all the opinions are my own, and I'm just really excited that I use this because it's basically an alternative to retinol. And as a new mom, I'm still breastfeeding, I cannot use retinol as is one of the ingredients that you cannot use when you're breastfeeding. What I like about this brand, IOP, is from Korea. They do very innovative ingredients in technology. I love every single thing I've tried from them before because I see results. And this one is amazing for the under eye area, for the wrinkles, especially deeper wrinkles. As I'm getting older, I turned 42. I'm getting deeper wrinkles, especially since I had my baby, because I haven't been able to do a lot of my DIYs or a lot of my skincare that I normally did because it usually, requires time. And as a new mom, sometimes I don't even have 3 minutes. Sometimes I really don't have any time. I'm going to start now that I'm back on my channel to kind of organize my schedule so I can kind of do a little more beauty. But in the meantime, as I needed something, this has been amazing to kind of help not make it worse. And I did see results. I thought some smoothing under my eyes, and you can use this day and night. But I only personally use it at night because the only thing I don't like about this product is a little bit the scent. I found that during the day I've refrained from using because of my baby, because I'm very, very aware of fragrance. But at night I could use it no problem, and the fragrance doesn't linger too long, but it's enough for me during the day to not want to use it. That's the only thing I don't like about this product, and I'm totally honest with my reviews. I love the results, I just don't like the fragrance. I wish brands would just quit putting fragrance in products because it's just not necessary. We just want results. But this one gives you results, but if you're sensitive to fragrances, just be aware it does have a strong, not a bad fragrance, but you can smell it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, just be aware. But you do see results, so that's what I love. I'll leave the link on the description box below. Now let's talk about hair. And as you guys can see, I'm like super, super blonde right now. As soon as I had my baby, I decided to kind of like lighten my hair a little bit. But it didn't really quite work because I think I did too much and my hair got completely damaged. I will make a whole dedicated video about how I recuperate my hair without having to cut it. Because right now, as you guys can see, it's bouncy. It has some, you know, it doesn't look frizzy, but if you guys saw my hair before, even curling it, it looked like hay. It was so broken that I would just do this and it would just kind of break into pieces. I'm not sure if it's because of the pregnancy, my hair became like more brittle or, from breastfeeding. I'm not sure what it was, but I literally burned my hair to a crisp to the point that I had to use it on a bun. But because my hair was so burnt, I started doing, my DIYs, but a lot of times I didn't have time to do my DIYs. So I try to find alternatives that I can do quick. And these two products that I'm going to talk about right now have been a godsend. If your hair is damaged from highlighting, from dyeing your hair, from anything, this is literally amazing. And as you guys can see, I use quite a bit. It's from Olaplex and is the number 7 bonding oil. But this lasts you for a long, long time. Don't get fooled by the tiny little size. By being an oil, it does not make your hair greasy. It literally makes your hair healthy, not just camouflaging the damage, but it actually heals it. The more I use this product, the more I see my hair recovering. It went from completely freezing, burnt, breaking, to like smoother and bouncier and shinier. So this is a miracle. Olaplex have other treatments and I tried them, but they didn't work as much in my hair. My hair was so damaged that even the super, super highly concentrated Olaplex conditioner did not work in my hair. My hair still looked like hay. This was the only thing that worked. And I put on my hair when it's damped, and sometimes I put it on my hair when I blow dry it, but it's a lifesaver. If you have damaged hair, try this. You will be like amazed. On the topic of hair, this conditioner and shampoo also have been a lifesaver. The Caviar Anti-Aging from Alterna, the Replenish Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I got the big bottles here for a reason, because it's actually cheaper for you to buy the bigger bottle than it is to buy the smaller bottle. I've used this in the past when I had also damaged hair, like many, many years ago, and they also sent to me like the smaller bottle few months ago, but my hair wasn't super damaged, but it's still an amazing shampoo and conditioner regardless. But I find that the other packaging, you kind of waste a little bit, and this is a better value. It's more expensive, but you actually get a lot better value, and the pump I like a lot better than the other package dispenser. I don't have it with me anymore. The other package is cheaper, but if your hair is damaged, you're gonna use this a lot. So I highly recommend you invest on the bigger bottle. As you can see, I have both. And the funny thing is, even my husband is using and he loves it. And my husband has something on his hair scalp that is almost like an eczema. I think I talked about it before on my channel too, and I use like an exfoliator from a different brand that helps, but it's kind of expensive, so we haven't used it in a while. But plus my husband is horrible about doing things for himself, but I have this in the bathroom. He's been using it, and for some strange reason, his eczema in his scalp stopped. He's not itching anymore, so it kind of works for scalp problems as well, which is a little bonus. If you have like that redness that kind of goes around here, try this as well. It contains caviar, a lot of amazing ingredients. It's, and a super clean brand as well. So this one works for damaged hair. You can feel your hair smoothing, and with regular use, you actually see a recovery in your hair. So this and that oil, if you cannot get anything else for your hair, you should try to invest in this if you have damaged hair. If this is too expensive for you guys, or the oil, and you still have damaged hair, I'm going to put on the link on the description box below some amazing DIYs to even mayo. You can use mayonnaise in your hair. It works amazing as well. So if this is too expensive, I'll put some DIY versions on the description box so you can try those. But for me, I did not have time to do my DIYs too much because I have a baby. Now that my mom's visiting, I'm going to try to include some of them more, but it's been challenging for me because my baby touches my hair, he puts everything in his mouth. So it's been a little challenging. But if you don't have time for DIYs and you have the money to invest, this is better than a salon treatment. I'm not joking. I know I'm like raving. This is not sponsored. This I bought it myself. I'm gonna buy it again at the Sephora sale that's coming up because it's quite expensive, but it lasts a long, long time and is a bonus that my husband can use with me, and it works for his scalp eczema. So I highly, highly recommend. My next beauty favorite, it just arrived in the mail today and is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today, is the Tati Beauty palette. Okay, hold on. You must be thinking, how come is your beauty favorite if you just got in the mail today? Well, let me tell you a little tiny story, very, very quick. Basically, I love Tati. I've been watching her channel since basically 2009. So I've noticed that a few months ago, she's been having these amazing eye looks with such amazing glitter. And I kept asking her, Tati, what do you wear in your eyes? And she would never reply. And the video in the description box didn't have the makeup. And I'm like, okay. And then she had this look, which I have it today. And I actually took a screenshot. I'll put the photo on the video, which looks a little blurry because I did the screenshot a long time ago. And I went to Sephora, tried to find the glitter, went to my collection, couldn't find anything like it. And asked her again, and nothing. This is months ago. And then when she released the palette and did the swatches, I'm like, oh my God, that's the glitter. And I got so excited and I ordered I think it came out at 10 o'clock. 10:02, I already ordered the palette. So I arrived in the mail today and I'm super excited. And that I've got it because this palette that I've been eyeing for months without even knowing. So this is what I have in my eyes today, and this look took like 3 seconds to do. No joke. Just boom, buttery, quick. So it's definitely going to become even more of my favorite. But I've been eyeing even before I knew it existed. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I think she's sold out. She's going to do pre-orders right now. I'm going to show the palette. The only thing that one of the shadows arrived shattered. I already mailed customer service. It was a little bit of a bummer, but the package was super well packed. But I'm sure she has no control over post office. So things like that happen with all other palettes. So I don't hold against her at all. I mailed customer service. So hopefully they'll change it, exchange it. But if they don't, I can survive because all the other colors arrive beautifully and they blend amazing. I'm wearing today Aura Story Ritual with the glitter from the Aura collection. And I'm going to put in the description box below the video that she introduces her palette, so she has swatches, she'll talk about the process because I feel she's the best person to introduce it for you guys if you haven't heard of it yet. But I'm not going to do swatches, I'm just going to link to her video. But I just want to share with you guys that I love this palette. I've used it today and it's every single thing I thought it would be. It's amazing. I'm so proud of her. I'm so happy for her and I'm so excited to see what else Tati Beauty has in store. So if you want to swatch, I'm going to put the link of her video so you can see hear from herself about the palette, the process. And I love it. I'm really happy that it arrived this morning so I could use it today. And finally, this is probably going to be the look I'm going to be using for New Year's, and this is going to be literally on my top shelf from now on. So I highly recommend. Now let's get to the life update. I'm not sure if all of you are aware, but a lot of my subscribers might know that I was pregnant and I had a very high risk pregnancy. Just towards the end of my pregnancy, I was bleeding. I had to take it really easy and I couldn't even have a baby shower. I'm just so sad that a lot of my friends could not share this moment with me. And when he was born, I was basically in labor for 2 days. Ended up having to have an emergency cesarean, which is a major surgery. I ended up staying in the hospital extra 5 days. And then when I got home, I had some other bleedings. So it's been a journey. But having my baby was the most amazing thing. So having my baby has been the most amazing thing in my entire life. And I'm going to introduce to you guys right now. I'm not sure how long he's going to be on camera because, again, it's really hot in here. So let me show you my baby right now. So this is my baby. His name is Alexander. His nickname is Sasha. And he's 7 months old. It's kind of hot in here. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of him. Oh, I love. Say bye-bye, Sasha. Say bye. So that's what I want to share with you guys. That's what's been going on back. I want to have at least one video a week. Also, thank you guys for being so supportive of me throughout my pregnancy. And even this time that I've been away, I got so many sweet messages from my subscribers saying, how are you doing? How's the baby? Worried about me? And you guys are just so amazing. I love you so much. You guys have been here with me for the longest time. And You know, I so appreciate every single one of you that send me a message, that watch my videos. Just know that your messages and your prayers make such a difference for my life. That's why I want to continue sharing with you guys beauty tips, giving you guys good content, because I really appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to try to get back slowly into a schedule to do at least a video a week and to update you guys of everything. But if you want to see videos about being a mom, like beauty tips for moms or baby gear that works or breastfeeding tips, make sure to comment below and I'll be happy to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!